Hi guys, Beard here, and tonight for you, hopefully it's a quick one. I'm going to pick this lock here, so I'm focusing a bit on it. It is a safe store. It's only a little padlock, nice and shiny, but it is it's not what it looks like on there, because if you just look on the corner there's a bit of it just chipped off. So it looks nice and shiny, and it looks like it's steel, but it's not. Here's the key. Not the most challenging bitting in the world, and I don't believe it actually has any, excuse my voice, has any security pins in it. But it was cheap on eBay, so I just picked it up. So light tension, feeling through the lock, and hopefully find the pins that are sticking up. And there we go. Pick tape them. Don't need that now. So there we go, picked open. There's the key. Trying to do this with the camera as per usual. There you go, still works. So there you go. The not so safe store padlock. Thanks for watching guys. Beard out.